Assalamualaikum audience, this is me Muhaimin Zaman Khan, a student of famous and well-known English language center Bangladesh from batch K8123. Today I am going to say a paragraph of watermelon. So let's get started. Watermelon is a tropical fruit. We get watermelons in summer times. We mostly eat watermelon in evening snack. Watermelon gives us hydration. Watermelon's skin color is light green and dark green, and inside it's red and pink color mixture with tons of black seeds. We can make many dishes of watermelon, like milkshake, smoothie, cake, pies, etc. Also, watermelon is a good food for our health. Watermelon is also one of my favorite fruits. Thank you. Bye bye.